Okay, this is what you should have when you're starting off. The lower bushing is pressed all the way in. And you should have the pin without bent over. Then you're going to have your cork gasket. It should slide over top of the pin. Graphitar should fit the same thing right over the pin. There's a little hole in it too. 1/8 inch. Your impeller shaft should slide through there freely. Okay, I'm going to put them in now. You just slide over my finger, watch where the hole's at. Take a screwdriver. When you get over the pin, press it in. Take a graphitar, same thing. Line your hole up with your finger. Put it on there. Should just like so. You should put a little grease on your impeller shaft so it slides there easy so it won't tear anything. You'll have your worm gear. It should be, you'll have it upside down. Your hole should be to the top. You slide it in against your gear, what's in there. Slide it down through everything. Line that. There should be you line up your hole like that. Put your screw in there. That's the way it should be put together. There should be hardly any play, maybe 1/8 of an inch the most. And then you put your lower cork gasket goes on there with the Nikon. You put your 4 screws in and tighten them up. And you should be ready to go. That's it.